To access our digital collection of library books, you will simply visit soraapp.com and click I have a setup code. The setup code is Bonita CA, and click Get Started. Then you will sign in using Bonita Unified School District. And this should take you to the option to sign in with Google. If you're already logged into the computer, it should bring this information up for you, but if not, you'll have to enter it manually. You're going to use your same login that you use to log into your computer. Once you do that, it should take you to the home page for the Bonita Unified School District Library, and then you'll see some of the collections that we have for our students. If you scroll down, you can search by subject as well. Then to add in the LACOE library or any other libraries, you come up to these three lines in the top right-hand corner and click Add a Public Library. To add the LACOE library, you would search ID:LACOE, no spaces, and this should bring up the Los Angeles County Office of Education. At this point, it would prompt you to enter in your membership or user ID, and that is the number that's found on the card, the library card that I gave you. So it's a 2, 8 zeros, and whatever digits follow that. Once you've entered that once, you should be in and be able to search this collection and borrow books as much as you'd like. To search for a book, you can click up here. I like to check off search all of my libraries so I can see if it has it anywhere. Once I search the book, if I see borrow, that means I'm good to go. I can just click it and I'm in. If conversely I see something that says place a hold, I can hover over the little clock following the hold, click on it, and it will tell me how many weeks I'd have to wait, how many copies, and how many people waiting. But remember to check all of your libraries, because I can see in the Bonita Unified School District Library that all of the Harry Potters are being used right now. But if I scroll down to LACOE, I can see that the audiobooks are all available for Harry Potter. So that's how you access our digital collection. Happy reading!